Hi, good morning everybody. This is Judd at Whitewave. Well, a little mail issues this morning, so we're just going to put out a video. It's a lot easier. Essence just made some comments towards China, saying that they're making a big mistake. Well, that's in the eye of the beholder. Two things I'm looking at this morning. Here's the long S&P short bonds. This is the pit session. Right now, this morning, we're trading up basically in the half of this pit gap. We'll see how that plays out. The gold is up in a resistance. It'll need over 30.50 to get going. In the meantime, it's trying to base out again near the bottom of this channel line that it's had for the last year and a quarter. S&Ps need to, basically get above 5,200 and stay there, and then you can get another 200 points out of it. Copper probably bottomed yesterday with a double bottom. Again, I told you I liked NVIDIA yesterday. Let me just take a quick look at that. Where is it? Yeah. It's not on the weekly, but it's on the monthly and quarterly momentum. This is what I was looking for. It's not to say we're not going to get another retest lower in this stuff, but that was a great place for a bounce. So I'm looking for this, probably the market to hold breaks into another Wednesday high. The bonds, what's wrong with the bonds? Well, I wonder if it's, our Asian friends that are just dumping all their treasuries or what's left or whatever they got left. I mean, if the idea here is to break the stock market to get the yields lower, it's not working. Other countries have powers and they can do things, and you're seeing it. The weekly, the bonds start getting much below 116, they're going to roll right back down again. When you look at the daily, they can hold down in here under the cloud and start back up. I don't have, here, where's my yuan? That was the other one. Let me get to that. Here we go. There's yen yuan. The yuan's weakening against the yen. You have to be careful down here because you're coming into the 200 week on the spread, the 50 month, momentum, and everything else. Now this looks like it's topped, but it's got to get through this area to get going. Let me look at it another way because I don't like the way that is delineated. I need the other one. All right, hold on. There we go. There's some data. So the yuan itself is starting to go, starting to weaken. So they can let this thing go a long way. But, if you want to be short the yuan, you're trading it against right there against unchanged on the year, which is 72.99. Okay, we'll take it up in the room in a few minutes. If you want to join,